Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to observe that interfacing of Raspberry Pi with LCD. Let's start.
తీస్తా నాలో ఉన్న క్రియేటివిటీ మొత్తం బయటికి తీస్తా నా తడాకా చూపిస్తా.
Yes, here we will see the how the Raspberry Pi module is interfaced with this LCD. With the connection point of view we can observe here. We know that the LCD it is having 16 bits and the Raspberry Pi it is having 40 pins. So out of these 40, 26 are GPIO pins. Out of these 26, any GPIO pin you can use here for the connection point of view to the LCD. Now I am using here some few GPIO pins. Now let us come to this LCD display 16 pins. The pin number you can also observe here: VSS, VCC, VEE, and register selector, read and write, enable pin, and D0 to D7 are the data pins, and the LED positive and LED negative. The connection also you can observe respect to pins connection point of view. So here especially from D0 to D7 8 data pins are there to this LCD module. Out of these 7 we are using 4 data pins. Data pin 4 which is connected to GPIO 22 and 5 is connected to 10 and 6 is connected to 9 and 7 is connected to GPIO 11. Not only this, that is your wish, you can connect to any other GPIO pins. Now this is the back side of the our LCD module. So you can, it is also clearly they are mentioned pin number 16, and not only that, you can also the total 16 pins pin numbering you can observe here. Pin number 1 to pin number 16, the pin number it is available here. Yes, now we need to download the library files of LCD display. First of all, we need to enable the internet connection to the Raspberry Pi. In that Raspberry Pi device itself we need to download the library files. So for that we need to go Adafruit _python _char lcd. So click on that one. So here you will come up with a website called, so that is GitHub. So click on that one. This is the second option. Here we need to click on that green color code and download that zip file. So in this zip file the license version and the setup file of that LCD display, everything is there. First of all, we need to download that one. Yes, now extract that file and copy that file into our Raspberry Pi home page. So now open that file and you need to copy that path. Yes, here I am already downloaded, so that is the file. So double click on that file. So here we need to, yes, copy that path, that is home/pi/adafruit _python _char lcd master. Copy that path and paste in our terminal and press enter. So indirectly we are installing the setup file here in our Python 3. So yes, now press enter here. We are directed to our path. Now here we need to type it as sudo space python 3 space setup.py space install. This syntax we need to enter here, sudo space python 3. So python 3, so this is the important point here. In my Raspberry Pi already Python 3 it is running, Python 3 version it is installed. So that is the reason I'm mentioned here Python 3 and space setup.py space install and press enter. So this, with this statement, our setup file, LCD setup file, it is imported. That means it is installed in our Python library. Yes, So I am already installed this one. So this is the way we need to install that setup file. Yes, now the program is already available in this folder. So this is the program. So first of all, import adafruit underscore care lcd as lcd. That is importing our lcd files. Next, after that, Raspberry Pi pins. Next, gpio.setmode gpio.bcm. So here bcm method we are using. That is, it is the indirect way to call the pin numbers. And after that, rs means register select pin and enable pin. And I told you d4 to d7. Out of these 8 data pins, 4 data pins we are using, that is d4 to d7. And any GPIO pin you can use out of those 26 GPIO pins. So here I am using GPIO 4, GPIO 17, GPIO 22 and GPIO 10, 9, 11. Respect to Raspberry Pi pins also I mentioned here. That is pin number 7, 11, 15, 19, 21 and 23. And after that, that last statement, that is initialization of after this. And whatever it may be the message, if you want to display at the output side, that we need to mention here. That is lcd.message ec9 classes plus, if you want to display in the next line, you can use /n. You can use the statement here. So this is the way we need to write the program. So with this we can get the output. Yes, here we got the output, and you can also observe the connections. This is the Raspberry Pi 3 model, right? So with the help of Ethernet I am connected this one, and you can also observe the connections. Mostly all are odd number of pins I am used, odd number of GPIO pins, and this is the output. And you can observe that here 1 kilo ohm resistor it is used, that is connected to pin number 3. So I hope you understand this one. So thank you for watching this. I hope you understand this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.